Since none of I'm reading a page. Since none of the notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules as initiated above, I am not admitting any of the notices. Please. Matters raised with permission. 0 hour. Dr. Fawzia Khan. Derek, please. Up. Nadimul Haq ji, Derek.
Ready to move the motion.
Sir, I'm on a...
Please take your seat. Derek ji, aap.
Sir, I'm on a...
Rule. Please. Derek ji, aap bole. Rule.
Page 12, Rule 29, list of business, sir. Bills which have 500 clauses are being listed now in supplementary business like the IT and... These are serious bills, sir. This is not a gymkhana. Let us not list these bills at 11 o'clock in the morning. Once, sir, let me finish. Let me finish. Sir, एक second, sir. I'm making 2 points.
Please, आप बोले.
हाँ साहब, chance तो दीजिए. I'm making 2 points on the list of business. I told you, page 29, page 12, number 29. 1, supplementary list of business with these very crucial bills like IT is a mockery of Parliament, sir. 1, 2, sir. Let me finish.
Please.
Let me finish. Starting with the leader of the opposition, we've all been saying one thing. In whatever language the government wants,
let them discuss SIR.
Let us have a discussion on SIR. Let us have a discussion in whatever language they want.
आपने जो point of order उठाया, chair has already given detailed ruling. No. Please, no. Will not allow. Chair goes by rules only. No, please. सदन 2 बजे तक स्थगित. The House stands adjourned to meet at 2 p.m.